Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to comparison between 1.5 and OxygenOS 16. This is actually complete UI comparison. So let's begin. Okay, look at these. First, lock screen in both devices. Okay, now let me show you lock screen customization in both devices. Look at this guys, this is all Flux themes on OxygenOS 16. Let me show you lock screen customization. This is vertical clock, you also set horizontal or vertical clock with depth effect. But in 1.5, look at this adaptive clock. Guys, this clock arrange automatically with your wallpaper in 1.5. And this is OxygenOS 16 depth clock. Okay, let me show you another clock. Look at this. Depth effect, style. Now, I apply both lock screens. Look at this. This is both lock screen 1.5 and OxygenOS 16 lock screen. Now, let me show you home screen. Look at this home screen in both devices. This is home screen options, home screen settings, guys, you also set animation effect, standard or enhance in OxygenOS 16. Now let me show you widgets in both devices. Now guys, look at this. This is 1.5 3D icons and this is OxygenOS 16 icons. But in OxygenOS 16, look at these icon types. Look at these many icon types in OxygenOS 16. And you also set dark icons in OxygenOS 16. But if you go to setting in 1.5 and go to color palette, look at this. Now you also set icons with color palette in 1.5. Look at these different colors. And this is 3D dark icons in One UI 8.5. Now, guys, let me show you control center in both devices. Look at this. This is One UI 8.5 control center and this is OxygenOS 16 control center. If I edit in OxygenOS 16 control center, look at this. This is edit options. This is normal edit in OxygenOS 16, but if you edit control center in One UI 8.5, look at this. You set vertical and horizontal toggles like this and arrange on anywhere. So, a big advantage in One UI 8.5 control center. Now, you also set separate or together control center in both devices. Look at this. Look at this. This is together control center in both devices. This is separate control center. Now let me show you app drawer in both devices. Look at this app drawer. But guys, in One UI 8.5 you set horizontal and vertical both app drawers. But guys, you can't set horizontal app drawer in OxygenOS 16. Now, go to System Settings in both devices. Look at this. This is System Setting UI in both devices. Now, let me show you volume styles in both devices. And now look at this camera UI. And guys, in last, let me show you folders on home screen. Look at this. You also set enlarge folder in One UI 8.5. But guys, I especially like OxygenOS 16 folder. Look at this. Look at this animation. And you set vertical and horizontal folder like this. and this is smooth animation. So guys, this is complete comparison of One UI 8.5 and OxygenOS 16. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.